So what's your name?
Terrence Bloodworth. I am the maintenance manager. I oversee all of the equipment maintenance for the trucks, trailers, and reefers.
How would you describe the atmosphere and the environment at UET after your first month or so?
It's really friendly, and everybody seems to get along, and everybody wants to get things done. Well, you're not a number. Everybody is, has a name. People actually know who you are.
What was going through your mind when you were officially offered the position?
I was excited. I know that we have a lot of work to work on, and a lot of stuff to do. So very excited. It's just like I know there's a lot of challenges. There's a few things. I've worked for some bigger fleets in the past, and can bring some of that experience to Great Plains, and hopefully we can optimize our fleet maintenance here.
What type of positions did you have before joining Great Plains?
I've been a tractor mechanic, a trailer mechanic. I've done like breakdown management. I've been director of maintenance, general manager, vice president of maintenance. Yeah, I've been in leadership and management for the last 10, 12 years.
If drivers want to call in to you, what would be the reasons they'd call you?
If there's anything with their particular unit, if they have a breakdown, or if they have a suggestion, or if they're even if they have some ideas for different equipment specs, I'm open to everything. Anything related to the truck or trailer, let me know.
What first got you into like the maintenance type of role?
My dad, where he was working at, he said they were hiring for mechanics, and I decided to jump in, and I really liked working on it. Or after I started doing it, I really loved it. It was something I never really see myself doing as a career, but after I jumped into it, I just really liked it.
How's the best way for drivers to get in touch with you?
Email the shop, because I'm involved in any of the email there, and that's maintenance at Great Plains Transport. Or then call me on my direct line. It is 701-532-3741, and I am on Teams as well.
Could you see yourself working here for a little while longer?
Yeah, it seemed like it's a culture that I could fit in, and would like to stick around for quite a while. I just think it's been, it's a nice environment here. Everybody's really friendly, and it's been, everybody's welcoming me on, and it's nice to be in the right size fleet, and just looking forward to really helping the company grow. And sometimes people want to grow, but we want to be where we're profitable. The trucks are staying, they're seated, and we don't have a ton of equipment broke down, because we have the right equipment in the fleet, and making sure that the driver in the seat, and we're able to easily maintain the equipment that we have.
Hello Great Plains friends and family, thank you so much for watching that video. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button down there. If you want to see more of our videos, you can click here for one we've specially selected for you, or you can click here for our most recent upload. If you want to see our videos in the future, you can click the subscribe button right here, and you'll be notified when we release a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.